Githomo universities ciothe cia muingi ni githararite. O ni thutha wa Arutani ya kuiga mīro yao thii na kugomera wira. Guku ni university ya Nairobi, kuri Arutani ya maigire mīro yao thii na kururungana barabara-ini cia guku mucii munene wa Nairobi. Mukhwaya ni mwandiki munene wa aruti wira a universities ciothe cia muingi.
As we have begun this particular journey, there's no looking behind, there's no looking back. Forward ever. Backward never. Until we have gotten our money. It is money that you ought to have been paid 4 years ago. Its value has gone down dramatically. And therefore, the earlier they paid us this money, the better for us.
Nayo university ya Masai Mara, maundu mauma ota uguo kuri Arutani ya mīro mitekini na kuaga guthomithia.
We are demanding that the CBA was signed, that it should be implemented in total.
Uduria utauma na utiganu university ya Egerton, mugomoyo no uthire na bere.
This document, we signed that workers should be paid. And workers have this document. They have read the contents and they are clear on when they were supposed to be paid.
Atongoria a kiama kia Arutani ya maugite gutiri undu ukwariririo ringi wigie mbeca kuona thirikari niyo yagite gutea ngirimiti iyo. Kinyagia riria thirikari igetikira kurekereria mbeca iria maiguithaniirie mweri wa kanana mwaka muthiru, no rio Arutani a university ciothe cia muingi maritikira gucokereria wira-ini wao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Maina wa Mwangi.